The beautiful thing I want to say to you is like this. It goes like this. You see the scenery. Whenever I roam here and there, the scenery changes. The this house is not seen from this position. Only this house is seems. And when I go here at this position and look for it, I see that house. And if I go again, zoom in, I can see the house, right? So I can translate and my field of view changes and everything around me changes. But do you know why I see that house? There are a lot of parameters. To my eyes, to my psyche, I may describe I see a house because of me. If I am not here, then how could I see that house? Okay? I am the one who is seeing that house. But if you go further outside, the light rays coming by is not deflected by a black hole. So it is not deflected by gravity or some kind of technology. So I see that house. Or you may say, but what I want to say is, you see, here is a glass. This is a glass, and this glass is transparent. It can show what's inside me from outsider, and I can see the outsider from in. So it is both way. Okay. So what do you think about it? If you see this glass, it is working as a function. It's a functionalized thing. The wall is not transparent because of its functionality, but a glass is transparent because it has its own properties and molecular structures and material science. So it is different material from the wall. Though we can engineer some way, we can create a transparent metal for kind of making different engineering for different engineering purposes, and for stylish phone that looks transparent. We can create transparent semiconductors and everything like that. So we could make something devices or gadget transparent. But let's come back to this topic. Like this glass, it has a property, it has some kind of functionality, it has some kind of memory. If you can freeze that memory into this glass, or if you can embed some kind of properties that is flowing by through this glass, then you can just by you can put this glass anywhere in you can put this glass here in this wall, and you can have a reference light. Then you can see the same scenery that I am seeing right now, and you can move and translate, and still that house may seem and doesn't seem from different angle and perspectives. So it's all about the glass. I see myself here because of this glass. This is because of this mirror, because of these glasses. I see the scene. Okay. There are a lot of parameters. The light coming by is a parameter. The house itself is a parameter. The paint in the house is itself a parameter. The distance between this glass to house, the light traveling is a parameter. So there are a lot of parameters, thousands, millions, billions of parameters to tweak and turn and manipulate these things. And if you can manipulate, if you just that we created a switch that can switch on and off the light. We somehow known to create transistors and electronics. So if you can somehow manipulate some kind of state in anything, it can be any physical, like physical things are all things that are physical are computable and can be used as a computation. So the light coming by can also compute, the deflection can also compute, the this mirror, this glass can also compute. So because of this glass functionality, I am seeing it. Okay, I can clear these houses, still I can see the houses because of this glass. It's kind of holographic plate, it's kind of memory. So how do you freeze that property into this class? That's what I need to understand. That's what the philosophy to science starts. This is a total philosophy of me. But if you somehow engineer these materials, engineer the way I want, then you can manipulate anything. You can do anything. But it needs courage, and it needs scientific theories and understanding of scientific knowledge and practical knowledge. All the data acquisition and all the tweaks and turns and manipulations should be embedded on this research so that we could get into there. Yet we have created a holographic plate too. We can create holographic displays too. We have created meta surfaces, we have created metamaterials, we have created phase diary, we have created wave field synthesis, right? So there are a lot of ways we can tweak and turn, we can manipulate, we can make things apart and can join things together. We can do anything. So it's because of this class I am seeing that house. I think so. Because of this light coming straight, I am seeing that house. Because of the house, I am seeing that house. Because of the paint on that house, I am seeing that house. Because of me, because of my brain, because of my perception, I am seeing that house. That's what the theory is. Not only this house, but whatever you see around, it's all because of the, what you say, because of that, because of this space between, and because of you itself. So it's all about it. There are a lot of parameters, and finding those parameters and resolving those parameters is what it is about, what it means the science about. Resolving lot of unknown parameters and multivariants is what makes us well posed one rather than ill posed. What makes us strong and understand the things and nature about. So that's all for today. Thank you.